200 million years ago, it was the dawn of a new age, the age of dinosaurs. From small, quick predators like Chelophysis to lumbering plant eaters like Plateosaurus, dinosaurs began to dominate the landscape. Their success lay in evolution's perfect balance of strength, agility, and endurance. As millions of years passed, life flourished. Forests spread, climate stabilized, and giants arose by the Cretaceous period. Earth was alive with diversity. Triceratops locked horns over territory, velociraptors hunted in packs, and Tyrannosaurus rex reigned supreme. Flowering plants colored the landscape, and the world seemed eternal, unstoppable. But nature's greatest reign was about to end. 66 million years ago, a rock the size of a mountain, an asteroid, hurtled toward Earth. It struck near what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula with the force of billions of nuclear bombs. In moments, forests ignited, oceans boiled, the sky darkened with ash blocking the sun for years. When the light returned, the age of dinosaurs was over. Imagine a world where 66 million years ago, the cataclysmic asteroid that changed life on Earth never struck. The dinosaurs, rulers of the land for over 160 million years, continue their reign. How different would our planet look? Without extinction, dinosaurs evolved further, adapting to climate changes and surviving environmental challenges. The Tyrannosaurus rex, Triceratops, and other species continue to dominate their habitats, creating ecosystems vastly different from those we know. Flying reptiles, once thought to be relics of the skies, flourish. Pterosaurs with massive wingspans rule the air. While avian species evolve slowly in niches not yet dominated by these giants. The seas teem with life. Mosasaurs, plesiosaurs, and giant ichthyosaurs patrol the oceans. Creating a world where modern marine mammals never rise to dominance. In a world dominated by dinosaurs, mammals remain small and nocturnal, hiding from predators. Their evolution is slow, constrained by the presence of giants. The dawn brings no peace. In these ancient forests, silence is only the pause before violence. Hidden beneath the ferns, hunters move with silent precision, guided not by instinct alone, but by strategy. Even in triumph, there is no peace. In this world, survival is the only law. For millions of years, survival ruled this world, but now something new begins to stir: awareness. They learn, they observe, they adapt. The seeds of intelligence take root. From cries of instinct come patterns of meaning: communication, empathy, and memory. From instinct to awareness, from chaos to curiosity, intelligence was taking its first breath. The Earth is never still. Beneath the surface, colossal forces pull and tear the planet apart. Pangea fractures, and with it, the world begins to reshape itself. Fire consumes. Ice freezes. In this cycle of destruction and rebirth, only the adaptable survive. The Earth tests every form of life under its changing skies. Where land once stretched endlessly, oceans now rule. Life dives deeper, adapting, reshaping itself with every tide. The world has changed, and life changes with it. The continents drift apart. But the story of survival continues, written in every heartbeat of this living planet. "65 million years have passed, yet the age of giants endures. The Earth has healed, reshaped, and evolved. But without the Great Extinction, the path of life has followed a very different course. Some species, once driven only by instinct, now show glimmers of intelligence. Cooperation, tool use, the first spark of reason, ignited not in primates, but in dinosaurs. Here in this alien timeline, the march of evolution chooses a new heir to thought, one shaped by claws, scales, and a world that never fell silent. While continents dance and climates shift, these intelligent reptiles spread, adapting to every corner of their world. The age of mammals never dawns. Humanity's story remains unwritten. In this world, the rulers of the past never vanished. The flame of intelligence burns, but not by human hands. Millions of years have passed since the great extinction that never was. Now the world thrives under a new hierarchy, one sculpted by ancient bloodlines and modern adaptation. The forests above are no longer safe havens. Raptors have taken to the trees, evolving grasping limbs and gliding membranes to ambush prey from above. Below the waves, a new empire has risen. Marine reptiles never faded, they evolved. Apex predators like mosasaurs now share the oceans with intelligent aquatic descendants. In a world where food is scarce, evolution rewards the opportunists. Hybrid scavengers, part reptile, part bird, dominate the plains, consuming anything that perishes. Predators and prey, hunters and scavengers. Every life form locked in the same eternal cycle, not of destruction, but of balance. The world adapts endlessly. As the sun sinks beyond the horizon, the world of giants exhales. Daytime predators retreat, and the forest cools under a deep violet sky. But in the shadows, life stirs. Small nocturnal hunters emerge, their eyes glowing with intelligence and hunger. In this silent world, every sound matters. A misplaced step, a snapped twig. For hunters like the nocturnal raptors, the darkness is their greatest weapon. Above them, constellations we recognize today begin to take shape. The stars bear witness to creatures that ruled the earth long before we dreamed of it. As the first light touches the horizon, the world awakens once more. The night's hunters fade away, and the ancient rhythm continues. As twilight paints the horizon, the world glows beneath wings that never vanished. Great pterosaurs soar over endless forests, gliding between clouds like echoes of a civilization that never came. If intelligence had found another vessel, if time had bent a different way, would towering cities of scaled architects now touch the heavens? The hum of language, the spark of art, perhaps written in claws instead of hands. But evolution writes its own story, not of intention, but of chance. The night belongs to the creatures that remain, their voices whispering through the dark canopies, a lullaby for the world that could have been. The dawn rises over a world forever untouched by humankind. In the silence, only the wind remembers. The age of dinosaurs, not extinct, not forgotten, just eternal. The giants never sought to conquer. They sought to live. Every roar, every step was part of the rhythm of life. In their power, there was patience. In their survival, wisdom. The age of dinosaurs was not just an age of beasts. It was an age of balance. Each creature, from the smallest flyer to the largest titan, played its part in the eternal cycle. And if we listen closely, across time itself, perhaps their message remains. That life's greatness lies not in domination, but in coexistence. The giants ruled the earth, yet they ruled in harmony. Life flows without end. Giants roam, wings unfurl, and the cycles of earth continue, untouched by human hands. Evolution unfolds as if the planet itself were alive, endlessly adapting. Every creature finds its place. Predators and prey, small and massive, live in a delicate balance. The Earth thrives not through conflict, but through coexistence, guided by the rhythms of life. Time stretches infinitely. The age of dinosaurs is eternal. Not a memory, not a legend, but a living, breathing testament to life itself. Every dawn is new, every sunset a promise. In a world where giants still walk the earth, we see that survival is not just about strength, it is about harmony. Every creature, every ecosystem teaches us the value of balance. The giants remind us that true power is measured not by domination, but by coexistence. Strength is tempered with patience, and wisdom is born from understanding. Though humans arrived late, the world shaped by these ancient creatures remains unforgettable. The age of dinosaurs, endless and eternal in this alternate Earth, offers us inspiration, wonder, and hope. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button.